everyone, and welcome back to Art with Miss Choate. I hope you had a great weekend, and hopefully you joined me for some art studio time with Miss Choate. So what we are going to be doing today is going to be a little surprise drawing. We're going to be folding our paper, drawing an animal, and then we're going to be able to open up the paper and we're going to put a surprise there. So it'll be easier to show you rather than trying to tell you right now. So let's get started. So the first thing we're going to be doing is folding our paper in half. Then we're going to take one of the pieces and we're going to fold it back. You're not going to come all the way. We're going to go so we have something that looks like this. And the amount that yours is folded back can be different than mine. So you see, I didn't like line it up. I'm not doing anything specific. I'm just having an amount that's covered. So this will be what we're drawing on first. And we're gonna be open it up and we're gonna have a surprise right in here. We're gonna start our drawing having it folded. And I would recommend doing it in pencil, but I did get some feedback saying when I draw in pencil, it's very hard to see. So I will be drawing in marker. Do you know that if I make a mistake, you know, I'm a person, it's okay. Try your best. We draw lightly until we get it right. We're gonna try a fish first. Now, just to give you a heads up, we're gonna be doing a fish, a bunny, and just kind of like a funny face. So you can kind of pick which one you want to do, or you want to do all three. That's up to you. So I'm gonna draw my fish. And we're gonna do the top half of the fish here, the bottom half of the fish here. And we're gonna draw its round body coming to a tail. The tail is going to come down onto the second half of the page. And then we have lip, lower part of the lip, the body. Now you could look at a specific fish if you'd like. I'm going to do my fin and a fin on the top. We can draw in his eye. Now I'm going to give my fish, I'm going to finish its mouth. I'm going to give my fish some stripes. Again, it's up to you how you want your fish to look. You could turn it into a pattern, yellow, red, yellow, red. We'll add our color in a little bit. I'm going to continue stripes all the way down its body. Once I get to the tail, I'm going to do lines this way. Now we're going to go ahead and open it up and we're going to connect those lines. This is why I'm saying it's a surprise fish. So what do you think we're going to put in here? This is its mouth. Let's do its stripes first and then we'll talk about the rest of the fish. Doing the stripes really helps it show space. We'll connect its tail. There we go. And now we can finish its mouth. I'm going to finish its bottom lip. And now I'm going to give it some teeth. Now you don't have to do teeth. I think they're funny. And maybe I could even do this fish is eating some little fish. Some little minnows are swimming in. And when you close it up, you don't see it. You open it up and you do. So it's kind of a silly silly thing. Now we can go ahead and add. Before we add color, if you did yours in pencil like I told you to, you can go ahead now do it in marker, or I can even clean up my lines. Go ahead and go thicker with it. Because I did sketchy before, really make nice defined lines for the fish. Add lines of the fins. Same thing on the bottom. Now we'll go ahead and add that color. So there we go. We have our finished colored in surprise fish. And now I'll show you how to do a couple different options. So now I'll show you two other options. I cut a piece of paper in half because I am running low on paper. We're gonna do the same thing that we did before. We're gonna fold your paper in half. I'm gonna do both at the same time so you see the other two options. So you're folding it in half, and then you're gonna take one of those layers and you're gonna fold it back a little bit. So we're gonna have it pop open. So you have it folded. You're gonna bring it back. Actually, I realized this is the way I did it before. So you have it pop open this way. So I got a little design on there. So I should fold it the other way. There we go. A little mishap there, but that's okay. If you're using a scrap paper, you're gonna be folding it so you see the scrap. There we go. So now we're opening it like this. So here's our two. We're gonna be doing a bunny on one and then a silly face on the other. So we'll start with that silly face. We're just gonna be starting with a kind of circle-ish shape. So here's the head. And you can make it wobbly or you can make it however you want this like blob character to be. We're gonna give it eyes. And eyebrows really can be expressive. Are they going straight up like they're angry? Or are they going down like they're sad? Got a little eyebrow. You give it a little nose. And then we'll draw its mouth starting right on that edge. And draw it on the other paper as well. So like you're drawing it down here and up here. So now when we open it, we'll connect its body. And we'll connect its mouth. So again, when it closes, you can't tell. You open and you can decide what you want to be inside that mouth. I'm gonna wait on that one for a moment and we're gonna go over to our bunny. And we're gonna draw a circle. Make sure you leave enough room for ears. My ears are gonna be a little bit small and off to the side. You can put yours up higher if you had enough room. Doing one ear, doing the other ear. We'll draw eyes. And give it little eyelashes. Give it a little kind of shaped bunny nose. And then we're going to draw its mouth. Same kind of mouth as the other one. Give it some whiskers. And now we're going to open it up, connect its mouth. You can give it even more whiskers, connect its body, its head, giving it some kind of freckles, some whiskers. So maybe for this one, I'm going to give it some kind of bulky teeth. And it could also be missing some teeth. We can go ahead and color that in however you like, and we could give Bunny, maybe Bunny gets like perfectly little straight teeth, and maybe it's eating a carrot. That's up to you. Be creative. I want to see all the different types of funny faces you can create, and the paper folding technique where it hides what it's doing or what it's eating. So it's kind of like what's it chewing on. Okay? So I hope you had fun today making these little surprise animals or human-ish characters. Trying to get the camera to show that one. Whoa! What other ones can you think of? Maybe you take this idea and you create another type of animal or your own character. I'd love to see what you guys create from this. So as always, if you like this video, hit that like button, subscribe that we get notified every day, and comment and let me know how yours came out. I'd love to hear. I'd love to know, did you do these animals? Did you do other animals? What did you do? And please, if you want to share it with me, go ahead and drop it on any social media and tag me. And I can't wait to see what you guys made. And join me tomorrow for Art with Miss Choate. Bye.